Hello dear all Indian pharmacists, welcome again to my YouTube channel WB Pharmacy. Today video topic is on Himalaya Natural Glow Kesar Face Wash. This video topic is contain pharmacognosy subject. The video contents or index of this assignment are number 1 introduction, number 2 composition or ingredients, number 3 details of ingredients, number 4 ingredients feathers, number 5 product feathers, number 6 how to use this product, number 7 level of this project, number 8 direction of use, number 9 conclusion, and lastly reference. Please keep watching from first to last video. This video must help for your knowledge and your assignment. Thank you.